Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and my 1976 Porsche 912E. Now the 912E is a 1-year only model. It was to bridge the gap between the end of production on the 914 and the beginning of production on the 924. So it has the 2-liter flat 4 similar to the Porsche 914. And that's pretty much it. The rest is basically like a 911. Now today I really need to do a tune-up. So spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap, rotor, points, condenser, and coil. But when dealing with something this old, it's a very good idea to check and see what you have before you go ordering parts. Because this is 46 years old, so that's a lot of time for somebody to make little modifications here and there. Let's get started. And this is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So going through, checking what I need. When I open up the distributor cap, I see that I have electronic points. So this has replaced the points and condenser. So instead of ordering those, now I know I don't have to. And with the coil, whoever did that upgrade probably did it before whoever did the last tune-up, because this is not the correct type of coil for the, I think it's Petronix flamethrower points. So I have the correct coil. And then also a good idea before you actually start pulling stuff apart, check out where all of the spark plug wires go to the corresponding post on the distributor cap and make yourself a little diagram. That way you don't have to keep track of that later. Another good note is to take a picture of the old coil and the wires and where they go. That way you can just match up with your photo and not have to figure it out later. And before this one goes on, I'll need to transfer over these little posts so every wire has a place to go. Now let's see if we did a good job. Another job well done.